There it is.
Wow, one of the 7 wonders of the world, right here.
Oh, this is a real out-of-body experience.
It's a very surreal moment being here.
We are Nick and Sam Simpson, and this is Sims on the Go. Welcome to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Good morning and welcome to our first day in Brazil. We are so excited to be here. And today we are going to be doing something very fun. What do you think we're going to? Christ the Redeemer, one of the 7 wonders of the world. There are 3 different types of ways you can get up to Christ the Redeemer: tram, taxi, or walk. We did read that walking when you have a whole bunch of equipment is not recommended, and we have cameras and things. And the taxi, we're like, that's cool, but might as well do it the right way, which is with the tram.
It's also important to note you have to check in 30 minutes before your time that you choose on your reservation. So apparently before you board, there's like a photo shoot thing that you can do.
Take a picture here, okay? This is home.
Thank you. You ready to go?
We are waiting in line. We just waited in line to wait in line again. Cutthroat. There's like no rhyme or reason.
Apparently this train is supposed to be 20 minutes to the top and very scenic.
Guess this is the stop. So the tram doesn't take you all the way to the top, it takes you mostly to the top, and there are 2 ways to actually get to the statue. You can either take an elevator and wait in line for it, or you can take the stairs. We're taking the stairs.
How are you doing, baby?
So rain or shine, there's still a million people here. I was hoping maybe for a slight chance because of the rain, it would be less busy, but no. Look at this. Everyone's trying to get a photo and it's just impossible. There are so many people here. So you tell me in the comments, is this worth it?
A couple quick facts about Christ the Redeemer. First and foremost, and this was like one of the funniest, most interesting facts that I read before we got up here, but in 2014, right before the FIFA World Cup that happened here in Brazil, there was a big lightning strike that hit the top of Christ the Redeemer. And in fact, the lightning strike was so intense that it like burned off one of his fingers. I think it was his thumb. One of his fingers was struck by lightning, so they had to rebuild it. The second interesting fact is that originally when he was built, he was supposed to be holding 2 different things in his hands. He was supposed to be holding a globe and he was supposed to be holding a cross, but they decided not to put it, so now he's like just hands out, hands out. This is the real experience of Christ the Redeemer. Look at this. Like, okay, I'm gonna try to walk through.
Where are you guys from? From me.
It is very, very crowded over here. So another thing that's really famous up here are the views from the top. The views from the top, you can see all of Rio de Janeiro, and it's absolutely gorgeous, but very crowded, and everyone's staring at me, so I'm very distracted. Nick has a great spot at the top, so I'm gonna make my way
Yeah,
up
so
there.
they're all like really top like volleyball schools. And
Oh my gosh, welcome to Christ the Redeemer in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. That's reality.
So the Christ the Redeemer is one of the 7 wonders of the world. It stands at 33 meters tall. From finger to finger, it's 20 meters long. And the construction started in 1922 and finished in 1931. It weighs 635 metric tons and is the largest Art Deco statue in the world and the tallest statue in South America. And I think we're going to wrap it up here because this Instagram versus reality situation is starting to get old, but that does not get old. That view, crazy. But check this view out.
We did read that if you want the best experience to come here right when it opens at 8:30. We got here about 10 and like every square inch was completely packed this whole time. We've been here for about 2 hours now and the whole time it's been He freaked me out. Thank you. So one of the things I was most looking forward to when we were coming to Brazil are these cheese bread balls, but we will do a whole food video, so don't you fret, and we will be eating a lot of these cheese bread balls. But look at these. This is a bread full of cheese. We have had a beer, some food, we've seen the Christ the Redeemer, and now it's time to start making our way back down. We're going to be taking the train back down to the bottom, but this has been the best 3-hour start to our adventure here in Brazil. But the train comes every 30 minutes, so we have to start making our way down now. Not sure if you can hear me. It is so loud. There are so many people. Like, Christ the Redeemer is so cool. Don't get us wrong. But this is the reality of Christ the Redeemer.
Since we're like last on, we're facing the wrong way again. We're facing the wrong way coming up. Now we're facing the right way going the wrong way. That makes sense. Feels good to be here.
Kind of made us tired.
Yeah.
But we're gonna close out the video for now. Both of us are so tired and we have tons of things to do still in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Tomorrow, in fact, we are going to taste street food here in Rio de Janeiro, but we hope you enjoyed this video. We hope you absolutely loved your time with us up at the top of Christ the Redeemer for our first day here in Brazil. We could not, it was like a pinch me moment because we could not believe that we were up there experiencing that. But for now, we're gonna close out the video. And if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, comment, do all the things. And until next time, we will see you on the go. There are 3 different kinds of modes of transportations to get up there. Tram, taxi, what's the third? So a couple of quick facts about... Very loud in my face. Okay, so a couple of quick facts about Christ the Redeemer. He literally just sneezed right near my face.
That was disgusting.
Okay. A couple. Now I'm like totally thrown off. Hands out, Christ the Redeemer. Hands out. Okay, that's it. That's good.
Aí tem uns que sobe pra cá e tem uns que sobe pra lá.
Oh, that wrong side. I mean, like facing.
Oh.